Before I talk anything about the film, let me thank Amir ji. He is so humble, so nice, and the pretension is not with him. I just called him with slight embarrassment because his son's film is being released on the same day as 7th. and I started like this. Sir, I don't know, I can ask this help, but the only superstar I know and I've made films is you. Can I invite you for the trailer launch? He said, what is that? Both the films will run well. Don't worry about it. I'll come. That's all. One simple word. He didn't allow me to cajole, beg or anything like that. He just simply told like that, I'm coming. That's all. Then, sir, date. Okay, I'll ask my secretary to call you. Just talk to him. And it's all over in 3 minutes. What to say? Such a nice gentleman. And of course, I know that he loves me in his heart. So that is the reason the first call, he made me so happy. Thank you very much for your kindness, sir. Thank you very much.
पैन इंडियन फिल्म गजनी का जिक्र होता ही है एंड यू नो वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग बेंचमार्क सेट कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
Hey, sir, did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound
very-
like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
no, we were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here.
And it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajni is the film in the history. And I wish I should make another. Now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make 1,000 crore film with him.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajni too. Maybe Gajni too.
So a lot of, I've been, a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around
It's
Gajni
not
too.
going around. No,
This
actually,
is where you heard it first.
people
This is where you heard
think
it
about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
So talking about history, Amir sir, this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, kya, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better. It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, of course. And now to invite on stage someone जिनके लिए इतना ही बोलूंगा मैं यहाँ पे. You stand on a stage, he's sitting there in the first row, and you're like, how do I introduce him? Then you're like, अपने को बोलते हो आप, इनका इंट्रोडक्शन देने वाला मैं कौन होता हूँ यार? अच्छी इंडस्ट्री दे रही है, हर एक सिने लावा दे रहा है. सिर्फ इतना ही कहूँगा, he's known for his unforgettable performances and groundbreaking films. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Amir Khan. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ किसी फिल्म के साथ तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो है तो कुछ तो होगा. Please talk to us about this entire
वेल
thing.
सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूँगा आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे. All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that, Arvind Garu is like an elder brother. And when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes, you know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's release, all film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार. I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं. तो ऑल माई वेरी बेस्ट. I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ. Yeah, I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So, I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह trailer में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request all of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Okay, so about films, of course, the scene. I'm saying filmy scene right now, sir. Yeah, exactly.
I'm still searching the reasons.
Amir sir, for
I
you.
think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story.
Right.
So
Yes, sir.
which director can do that and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. Then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, you know. Starcast wala, sir, Amir sir, because of course.
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
Right, right. Stars की बात करें, you know, talking about your look, urban, cool andaz, we've seen you in that. Here it's that rugged look, दाढ़ी के साथ, वो एक अलग dialect, उसके ऊपर कितनी preparation गई, कितनी मेहनत गई?
See, the look was pretty, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
Right, right. Sir, एक challenge जो सबसे ज़्यादा for the director, what was the most challenging thing I would say?
Most of the part in the ocean, what we shot,
Right.
okay, 95% is the original locations. So my hero said, I don't want to do in the blue mat and green mat because I don't get that feel. So most of the part we shot in the sea.
Okay.
Yeah.
देखा यही होता है, ऐसी चीजें निकल के आ जाती हैं. Sir,
30 to 35 days we shot in the middle of the sea. Ocean.
wow, wow. बाकी बहुत सारी चीजें 7th Feb is the date. Remember that.